Hello all, just Paul again here. Alright, we're finally at the paint stage and the prep stage of these faceplates, which happen to be General Electric A and B model. So first of all, today I've set up my paint preparation holder just for the faceplates. I'll go through that. It's very simple, but I'll just show you what I do. What we're actually, we have on the bench today is IPA, have the undercoat, which is a modelling acrylic solvent-based undercoat, and this sits at 1500. That's not the brand name, well, it is the brand name, but that's the smoothness that it rests at straight after curing. And then we do a light sand at 2000. I use the airbrush cleaner to clean the plastics and then go over with IPA. I've got my tape, some nails and some other GE faceplates. Just out of interest, that's a faceplate that I did recently on the B model, which looks almost factory. I've still got to do a light sand and do a finish on that. Alright, so first of all, I just want to show you how easy this is and entirely necessary, trying to get a good paint job for those that aren't in this area of the hobby. It's just very simple. You need a support for your work. I just use framing nails. One, because they're extremely sharp and they're long enough that once I get them through the wood that I can bend them to shape to suit pretty much any faceplate. Alright, as far as putting knobs and painting those, obviously the axle or they're all different sizes, so I just use painter's tape, wrap them around the nail, push them on, and that way you can turn them upside down and nothing falls off. That's the other reason I like using nails, because I can put these on, and as you can see, I can turn it upside down, around, whatever, and they're not going to fall off. Okay. I have a few of these types, one for just one faceplate. I used to have them, I'm making some more today, but I used to have them just for knobs and fittings. Anyway, moving on. A lot of you may not know that the GE A35825B model faceplate is different to the A35825A model. See if you can pick the difference. It's going to be very, very hard to see. So there's the A model. There's the B model. I'll give you a close-up. So you see the buttons there? We'll move across the buttons here. And there. Alright, so basically what it is the A model has a rocker button on here, those ones that keep failing. They require a shorter throw because they're on an axle halfway down the middle, where the B model has slide switches up and down. There was a problem right from factory with the toggle switches, and they fixed it up in the Series 2. Alright, so today I just need to clean these faceplates, hit them with the finisher black. So the whole purpose of this is, on the A model, I'm going for a copper finish. I hope that shows up. For the faceplate. And for the second one, just for something different, I'm going for an ochre finish on the B model. That'll be interesting, but that's to pick up on the switches. And the third one is going to be a black one again. So we'll do a Black Betty, calling this one Copperhead, and probably Fanta. Anyway, bit of fun. All right. I'm going to clean these down and then just hit them with the finisher 1500. And the main reason I want to get these into paint as quick as possible is, as per cars, is to secure the finish and stabilize it for the color stage. Thank you. All right, we're ready to paint. Now, because these have been through the ammonium persulfate, they've already been etch primed, so it makes cleaning very, very easy. As you've noticed, there's a bit of product still left on here, which are in areas of insignificance. The adhesive, the ammonium persulfate does not eat through adhesive, especially the rubber one. Okay, and nor does it remove black ink from the valleys here. So I go over that at the end. That's the final stage. But at the moment, we've got it all lined up. I'm actually not going to remove the chrome on these. These are 2 spares. I'm going to see what it looks like to have these in black. Just toying with an idea of the black knobs on a couple of the radios. But this is the one of importance. That's the one I've removed the chrome from on the channel selector. All right, I'm going to put it into paint, and that prepares me for the next video, which will be to apply color. Okay, the undercoat stage is done. These are starting to flash off now. Always try to get them in around 18 degrees of curing temperature. That will lay a nice flat and also keep it away from very dusty environments. I normally encase these in a box. However, due to the move I'm going through at the moment, just unpacking everything, I haven't sorted a box or drying cabinet yet. So I'll quickly just find something to cover it, and then that part of the job's done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, comment, like and subscribe, and share your work. We all like to see how people do things. This is just the custom side of restoration. And just before we get a lot of hate, yes, the A model is rare. Yes, I have 2 others. This one, I only do this to face plates that are severely damaged and need repair, or the electroplating is peeling, which is common on these face plates. And they actually look very good the way that I do them. Get a lot of positive comments. Anyway, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, bit of an addendum here. I've just made this up. As I said, I'm just in the process of making more holders. This is my holder for all of the knobs and things I need to hold. So again, all we've done is put very, very simple. Just put 4-inch nails through the wood. Space them out so that you can get underneath and nothing's interfering with each other. And that's how you spray knobs. Make it simple. Keep your hands out of the situation. That way you get a nice, small, perfect factory looking finish if you do all the prep work right. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.